Hi, my name is Chris with Why Wait, and I'm here to show you the latest product for Blue technology. And folks, this one is revolutionary. This is WATERSTOP, the first digital water shutoff and leak detection system specifically designed for RVs. This prevents small water leaks from becoming costly repairs. WATERSTOP comes with one leak sensor, but can monitor up to 7, a power cord, and a remote control. Leak sensors detect water coming from a leaking toilet, backed up drains, burst pipes, and from hidden leaks. Once a leak is detected by the leak sensor, WATERSTOP automatically shuts off the water supply, and you're notified through the Blue Onyx app on your phone. This app also has dual monitoring of water consumption and usage time. Now you can wander without the worry of water damage to your RV. The Blue Onyx app also protects your RV's water quality by sending reminders of when it's time to replace your RV's water filter. This ensures cleaner, safer drinking water for you and your family. Control of the WATERSTOP unit is in the palm of your hands. Along with the Blue Onyx app, it also comes with a handy remote. This remote allows you to open and close the shutoff valve with a range of 32 to 98 feet. Now the app will let you know where the leak is coming from, the status of the valve, annual water volume used, water flow rate, as well as the life of your filter. The peace of mind that the app and the remote gives you is a game changer. Installation of the WATERSTOP only takes about 2 minutes. It easily connects to any standard 3/4 inch GHT fitting, and it does not require any tools or additional hardware. So there's no pipe cutting, taping, pipe sweating. This is plug and play. The only way this could be any easier is if you also had the Blue Technology Quick Connect system. It has a built-in lithium battery, so if you lose power in your RV, WATERSTOP will continue to provide both valve shutoff and leak detection monitoring. That's peace of mind. WATERSTOP is constructed with drinking water safe stainless steel 304 and is IP65 rated, so it has dust protection and its housing is water resistant. Like I said, WATERSTOP by Blue Technology and the Blue Onyx app is revolutionary. Now, I've always been a big believer of using water alarm detection systems in my RVs, but the WATERSTOP from Blue Technology, well, this is on a whole nother level.